Just keep on trying.
Alright, as y'all saw the other day, well, I don't know, as you saw, I got the engine out of the donor truck. I was taking torque converter bolts off, and as you would expect, I stripped one out because they're hex head bolts, Allen head bolts. So we got the welder over here, and we're gonna weld a nut to it and try to get it off that way. That's fun. Why isn't it going in there? Oh, good, I'm welding the vice grip. Oh, good grief. Nope, not happening with that one. Now we gotta go find another nut. Build that up a little bit, I guess. Try to. I think it's gonna break right off. I don't think it's penetrating very well. We'll see, I guess. I don't know. I don't like this. I'll just weld it to the flex plate. That'll be healthy for it. I couldn't have got that any more off center. Am I gonna be able to fit a wrench on it? I'll probably just put a vice grip on it. So let's just see if we can break it off real quick. Good job, you idiot. This will probably just twist right off. Come on now. Shit. What in the heck? I don't think that did a damn thing. Alright. What can we do? What can we do? Alright, round two. Just weld this cheap ass socket to that nut. Well, maybe that'll work. Hell if I know. Probably won't. We'll probably just be struggling with this for a few days. Go ahead and mar that up too much where I can't fit the extension in there. That wouldn't be helping me any, would it? Because I don't have any sense and I got a light blinding the shit out of me. Why do I do this? What's compelling me to do this? You know? I'm gonna get a sacrificial extension and just jam the damn thing in there, I guess. Because I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's not very well attached anyway, is it? Come on now. There's no reason for that to still be on there. There. Cut that piece of junk off. What are we gonna do about this? I guess we can weld a bigger nut to that nut. I don't know. It's gonna be too close to the block, probably. Okay. That works, I guess. I'll get the top of it as much as I can. I'm just not holding out much hope for this. Son of a gun. So close. How long is this damn bolt? That ugly jarbled mess, but it's out. That's the important thing. How many more do we have on this damn thing? Another one. Let's see what we got. Non-impact socket. Let's try an impact on it. Why not? This rate, who gives a shit? Holy cow. Good grief. There's 3 or 4 on this, I can't remember. 3. Okay, well I'm gonna separate the engine and transmission. Yeah, let's see what we got. Probably a multitude of different bolts, nuts, whatever. Good times, good times. I gotta get something accomplished today, you understand? Let's see, is that a 15? It is. That one's not. It's a 14. Okay, makes sense. There we go, 13. A 15 down there. We're having a good time.
Just don't forget, we're having a good time. There'll be times when you're like, I'm not sure if we're having a good time anymore, but I'll be here to let you know.
I guess before I get too far, I'm gonna put something under the transmission just to keep it the same height as the engine. And then we'll fight that off. That'll be a good time for everyone to see. The struggles of an idiot. I just want to get the dang engine on the engine stand so I can start cleaning it up and do the gaskets. That's all I want. That's not too much to ask. But here we are. Alright, got a piece of wood right there. Spilled some more antifreeze on the ground. Oh, I still got another bolt. Let's try it now. I think there'd be like a tang for you to put a little pry in action on there, huh? Nah. Am I missing something? I've been known to be wrong a lot. Come on. What am I missing? I think we need a break.
2,000 years later.
Alright, got the engine and transmission separated. Got the engine on engine stand. Boy, this is the reality of an LS swap using a donor truck versus just buying a swap. To be honest, I'm really considering just finding another 5.3 and 4L60 and putting it back in this truck. Other than not having an engine, it's a perfectly fine truck. I'm gonna get some Ziploc baggies so I can inventory all the bolts that I've pulled out already. I've kind of set them, you know, separated them, at least the important ones. All right, we're back. Serena's gonna help me get some stuff cleaned up on the engine here. You know, fun.
Here we go.
Here we go. She's got a runny nose. Apparently it's too cold for her. 58 in here and it's 30 outside. I don't think it's that cold. She's just being a softie for whatever reason. I don't know what the purpose of that thing is, but I use it as a lifting tab.
That little arm?
Yeah. Wrap
Oh.
the chain around it. Okay. Got a little coolant gonna drip out of it. You can work on cleaning that if you want.
Do you have like a little brush or anything?
Oh, no, you gotta do it with your fingers. Here's a dirty brush.
Okay.
Watch your eyes. You want some safety glasses?
Do I need safety glasses?
Well, I mean, it's degreaser. You don't want to get it in your eye.
Oh, you're in my hair.
You look good. You look really good. Although most of this is grease, you don't want any plastic or anything getting down into the intake ports. So the cylinder heads, the grease will burn off when you start it. Like, it's no different than all the carbon buildup in there. You need to build an engine room, you know?
Engine room?
Yeah, just for cleaning and then assembling engines and stuff. Well, not cleaning in there, but for, you know, a sterile room.
A sterile room.
Yeah.
Like for making IV bags?
Yeah.
IV medication?
Yep, exactly like that. Oh, look at that. It'll fit right into the steam port mold. M6 bolts. Perfect. Try to keep as much crap out of the cooling system. This goes to the cooling system. Try to keep the crap out of it. There. I wonder if they make a steam cleaner for this kind of stuff. Get a cheap upholstery steam cleaner for this.
For that?
For this stuff, yeah.
It could be real messy.
Next time you see one at an estate sale, okay?
On it. This looks like a little rat's been chewing on it.
It's a good possibility, yeah. Yeah, it does.
Little ratatouille's been in there.
Freaking ratatouille. These are like brushes for grout. You get them at Dollar General and whatnot.
Oh.
They're nice and stiff, you know? But they're not going to harm sensitive surfaces. They're not going to take any material off like maybe if you were really getting after it with a wire brush.
Alright, we got this clean as this one's gonna get.
Or get a junky piece of wood. Wood's good scrapers. Wood's good scrapers. Wood is good for scraping this kind of stuff because it won't damage the aluminum. Wooden paint stirrer brushes are real good for this kind of stuff.
Did you steal that from my stash?
This is my stash of stuff. It's in my
You
my
don't
part.
paint anything.
This isn't a paint stirrer. This is just
Oh,
a
I thought
piece of
that's
wood.
what you said.
No, I was just saying this kind of looks like one.
Oh.
But no, those things are great for this. Because they give them away whenever you buy a paint, you know?
Ugh.
Just fling back on you.
Yeah.
See? That's
Guess
why you
it's a
got the
good thing I
safety
have
glasses.
Safety glasses.
Safety first, guys.
You just wear safety glasses every day, all day.
Yeah. It's a blessing and a curse. I do and I don't.
I do and I don't.
It doesn't look like I actually did anything.
That's okay. You're just. It's fine. It's gonna be hidden anyway. You don't have to get it like super clean. We're not eating off of it. Yeah. It's good. It's going to be good. It's going to be good.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's going to be good. It's
Right.
going to be good.
You can use wire brushes on stuff that isn't like a mating surface like this here.
It's not a what surface?
Mating surface where the intake mates to the head.
Alright, what else you got for me?
Brake clean's the best way to clean stuff, but it stinks up everything. Not great to breathe in, I don't think either, so try to use it in a limited amount whenever I'm indoors. Now I just need to get a giant like tub so I can set engines down in the tub and hook up a pump and just have the ultimate pressure, or I mean a washer, parts washer pit thing. Big old freaking like commercial dishwashing machine like I used when I was at Pizza Hut. Where you can just roll it in there
Oh, yeah.
on a rack. Now that would be brilliant.
Oh, how do I turn it back on?
I gotta put a switch on this thing. I'm almost done with this and I'll pull this valve cover off and you can do that and I'll just cover it. So.
Well, it looks very nice.
Looks better than it did. It's pretty clean in there. Not a whole lot of crap. It's not real dark like some of them are. Not real burnt looking. So very good. Very good.
Oh wow, this wasn't black to begin with?
No, it's silver. Or like aluminum.
A few moments later, 2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
I'm pretty sure Siri will
I
just do
don't
it for you
know.
too. Oh, it'll be laying over there. It'll be like,
Dude, you're fucking like 80 years old.
like look, like, all right, right there. Like, hey Siri, set 5-minute timer.
I don't know.
Hey Siri, cancel timer. You don't even gotta be around it.
iPhone, start recording.
I don't think it works like that. You gotta
You
call
got
her.
Siri set up?
I think you gotta call her something.
I bet it would.
Hey Siri. Everybody's phone's gonna go off.
All right, Jacob.
Yeah.
You push on that side.
I'll do it.
You make sure we don't hit anything. All right, hey, are y'all ready? Cause we're moving.
We're rolling. And let's go. Yeah.
A good like thumbnail would be like you riding the motor.
Yeah.
I'm riding it. As we're pushing it in. Somehow. Somehow.
What an idiot. Right there. Hold on. Hold on. Wrong way. came off of here. Give me that back. I'm gonna put it there real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna get a piece of wood and put it under that little pan.
Let me lift it back up some.
No pun intended. There you go. That's what happens when you ruin a GMT 800.
Yeah.
There you go. It's just a damn mess. But fun times is opening packages. So let's see what we've got. Oh, plug wire. What is in here? Oh, there's shocks. Another thing we're going to be doing is just a 3.5 drop. So not super low, but low enough. Drop control arms are in that box right there. Old DJM suspension. Rear main seal set. Okay. Velcro valve cover gasket. The front timing cover. So those are nice. They look just like the hooker ones, so that's okay. Oil pan gasket? Who knows? Oil pan. Valley pan. It even comes with the grommets for the NOx sensors. This is a heavy box. Lift with care. It's really easy to do whenever there's ice on the ground. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff. This one's like opening Santa Claus's bag. Weather pack crimping set with a little starter pack. Harmonic balancer puller. Three jaw puller. There you go. I got this one because it came with different style jaws for it. It was like the cheapest one, and it came with extra pieces, so whatever. I don't run a shop, you know. I don't do this for a living. Thermostat housing. It's this stupid design. I don't know why I didn't upgrade it. That's a harmonic balancer for the Suburban. Goodness, that thing is all there, ain't it? It smells like weed. Someone was toking while they were packaging, huh? Okay. Yeah, it just smells like straight marijuana. Oil pressure sender unit adapter, I think. Manifold bolts. Good little ARP. Oh, it's an orifice tube for the air conditioning. The radiator mount. Yeah. Polyurethane radiator mount. Here's from Dorman. Oh, not sensor harness. You need a hole saw to install it? Good grief. Lube it up. So it'll slide in there. Little water pump, dude. I was gonna say, they not give you gaskets with it? There they are. Let's see. Looks like it fits on there, so that's good. They give you a gasket for that before it's got an O-ring on it. There we go. We'll be able to get some more crap put together.